Hi there friends, this is Jack and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to check screen time on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Open the settings menu. The settings menu is the main control center of your device where you can manage and customize many important features. From here, you can adjust display settings, control notifications, manage storage and battery usage, set up security options, and access advanced system tools that help your phone run smoothly. Next, scrolling and see the digital well-being and parental controls. On some Samsung devices, it may simply appear as digital well-being. Tap on this option to open the menu. This feature helps you understand your phone habits by tracking how long you use apps, how many notifications you receive, and how often you unlock your phone. Once you open the Digital Wellbeing page, you'll see a dashboard that shows your daily screen time. The dashboard displays a chart with the total time you spent on your phone today, along with the list of apps and how long each one was used. You can tap on the chart or any app to see more detailed usage information. Checking your screen time regularly can help you manage your phone usage and maintain healthier digital habits. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Android tips